Hello, good morning students. Today we will solve last question of the exercise 8.2, question 7. This type of question is in reduced syllabus in 9th standard, but it may be asked in 10th standard. So practice must be required. Okay? Here right angle triangle is given, so you have to draw this type of triangle, not simple. Okay, in question C is right angle, so your name of the triangle C must be here. C is the right angle. A and B you can write here or here, it doesn't make any difference, but A, B, C must be proper. C is the right angle. AB is the hypotenuse. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse. And line draw from the M to AC. That is MD line or MD segment. It is parallel to the BC. MD is parallel to BC. Okay, and we have proved three results. First, D is the midpoint of AC. We know that M is the midpoint of AB, but we have proved D is the midpoint of AC. First result. Second, MD perpendicular to AC. MD perpendicular to AC. Okay? This result is second. And third, CM. We have drawn also one segment CM. CM equal to AM equal to 1 upon 2 AB, half of the AB. Why we have drawn this line? Because it proved that CM. So draw CM also. Now prove. Okay. M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. And MD parallel BC. It is given in question. Given in question. M is the midpoint of AB, hypotenuse, and MD parallel to BC. It is given in your question. Okay? So, according to converse of midpoint theorem, we already learned midpoint theorem and it converse also. What is the midpoint theorem? This line is parallel to this side, third side, and this line segment measure is half of the third side. When M is the midpoint of this side and D is also the midpoint of this side, then it is possible, it is parallel. Therefore, D is the midpoint of AC. Result number 1 we have proved. If M is the midpoint of first side, then D is the also midpoint of second side. Then this line segment is parallel to the third side. Otherwise not possible. So first result is proved. Okay? Now this result. Second result. DM parallel BC given Now DM parallel BC is given. This is parallel is given. Okay. Now take two angle ADM. Okay, and DCB. This angle, this line is parallel, and this is transversal. Okay, so this angle and this angle is corresponding angle. When two parallel lines intersect, then this angle and this angle is corresponding angle. So this angle and this angle is corresponding angle. ADM and DCB or ACB, whatever you can write. Given angle ACB equal to 90 is given in question. Okay, angle ACB and angle ADM is corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, and we know that corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle ADM equal to also 90. This is 90. Now we can remove this, and here we can write it is also 90. Now you know that this line and this line in this way. Then what is we can call this? What is this? Perpendicular, 90 degree. It is perpendicular. This segment is perpendicular to this segment. Okay? Therefore, DM perpendicular MD perpendicular AC. Result number 2. Okay, corresponding angle are equal, then it is true. Second result is true. Now we are going to third result. Okay, we are going to take two triangles ADM CDM. This triangle ADM and this triangle also CDM. See, here goes the triangle. We can draw another way. ADM, CD. Okay. Now we know that this angle is 90, but we have also this is 90. How? It is linear pair. A linear pair is supplementary. Angle ADM and angle CDM are in linear pair. Therefore, angle ADM plus angle CDM equal to 180. Linear pair are supplementary. The sum of the two angles is 180. ADM, we have take here 90 plus CDM equal to 180. Therefore, CDM equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90. This angle is also 90. Okay. Now we are going to take corresponding congruent of two triangles. We have proved CM equal to AM. Okay, MA equal to 1 upon 2 AD. This result we have proved. Now, two triangle ADM, in triangle ADM and CDM, triangle CDM. Okay, D is the midpoint we have proved here. So this side and this side equal. Okay, this angle and this angle 90-90 are equal.
Yes.
If you take this triangle or this triangle, DM is common in both. Same side. So this is also equal. So side, angle side. But we have to write ADM, angle ADM equal to angle CDM. First angle is equal. AD equal to DC and DM equal to DM. It is common. DM equal to DM. This is common. Okay. This right angle is given in question. Midpoint, so this side and this side will be equal. So according to SAS, side angle side, correspondence, two triangle ADM, congruent triangle CDM. Two triangle are congruent. Okay. So with two side equal, we will get AM equal to CM, CPCD. Therefore, AM equal to CM, CPCD, corresponding part of the congruent triangle. AM equal to CM. The Z result number 3, AM equal to CM. Okay. But what is AM? But AM equal to, we know that AM equal to, M is the midpoint. So AM equal to half of the AD. AM equal to 1 upon 2 AD. Therefore, we can write in this way. CM equal to AM equal to 1 upon 2 AD. Result number 3. In this way we can prove. So that in place of AM, MA both are same. CM, MC, whatever you can write, both are same. Write down in your notebook.